Shoot him! Shoot him!
I guess it didn't go off.
He smoked some motherfucker in the head with a friggin' thunder beat.
That's the camera guy. Don't shoot the camera guy. Thank you. Hey, hey.
The Phoenix and the Purple Crowd together!
Oh, I'm coming, my zombie brothers. Guess who's a zombie? All right. Zombie time.
Shot in the wrong spots.
Oh, I got shot in the underarm, so.
My neck, my nipple, and my back.
You need a balaclava, dude.
Well, I did, but I took it off.
Oh.
This is a zombie game. I don't know where I'm getting.
That was a nice, somewhat, like, I don't know what to call that. What was that? Alright.
Oh my god.
You want to come up on a bum rush, alright? Ready? Want a bum rush?
No. That'd be a terrible idea.
That'd be awesome. Come on, I'm sure you're not just taking that for your own personal pleasure. YouTubers love stuff like that. Come on.
You know what? I'm just sitting here.
Call your hit! Hit! All right, hit. That's what I call badass. So, every time. Hit!
Hey, can someone guard me while I take a nap?
I would, but I have stuff to do. Maybe some other
Your
time.
laser light's on.
My light? Yeah, it's recording.
Oh. Hi!
What's up?
Going on YouTube?
Yes, it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait, I want to get a video of me dual wielding.
All right, ready? Here, I'll follow you around. Ready? Let's go. Let's go.
Hit, ow, hit.
Hit!
Oh, my fucking knee.
As cool as that was, it really hurt. As cool as that was, it really hurt. Huh? SOA Tactical.
SOA Tactical.
Yes, sir. All right. Probably tomorrow, because I'm going to edit tonight, and then do stuff tomorrow. Probably put it on YouTube. All right, and I'm going to go join the fight.
That wasn't worth it. No, I only got one kill. For
Yeah, I got shot in the belly button, and it really hurt.
I got shot in the nipple. Oh, my knees are on fire.
Kimbo.
You don't have a hair on your face. Let a couple more people die.
Guys, who wants to rush this thing? Ready?
I'm not gonna rush.
You're not gonna rush?
I'm not rushing. I just got shot in the knees. On the side. Are you ready?
All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Tactical roll! All right, here. Move up! Hit! Nice shot!
Contour thought.
Hey, dude. What's up?
Camera to give us some action.
No, thank you.
What should I look for?
Maybe when I get a new one. Not yet.
What should I look for on YouTube?
You should look for this. And SOA Tactical.
Hopefully
I'm like Milsim Junkie, but on his days off. On his days off.
Usually, and I'm alive again.
Oh, look at that.
Imagine.
Oh, look, I'm out of ammo. Oh, God.
I'm not a zombie.
Oh, I was...
That would suck for you, buddy. I want a zombie. That would have been a shit. I need an armor. I wish I was an armor.
Zombie? Kill me.
Marshall coming out of the
Oh, God! Oh, God! Everybody dead? Dude, nice. Good job, zombies! Well, that guy got hurt.
Please do not do bong hits off the cannon. Fire one shot!
I think you're all right. What are you doing?
It's gonna burn the barrel, dude.
There it is.
Yeah, it's gonna burn the barrel.
So what's the one going? That sounds good.
Yeah, that ball star's on. Play baseball.